Just as good instruction in playing piano starts with simple skills that are modified and expanded to create more complicated ones. A piano playing program is poor if it requires the naive student to play a concerto. The student will not be able to perform and will understandably become frustrated. A more reasonable program would build... What? Bubbles! Hi, Booty!
Yes.
Don't fart, the window's open.
Okay.
Misty, Daddy's poop is stinky. Yeah.
What are you doing?
You poo, Daddy.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have any grey poop on?
Put your hand out. I'll poop on it.
Okay.
Lower.
Ah! There's something on your pants.
My booty.
Uh-huh.
You
My
poop.
booty.
You poop.
No, Daddy did not poop.
Okay, Misty, you can say that in the car and inside of our house, okay? But outside the car and outside of our house, you don't say that, okay?
Say, okay, Mommy.
Do you understand, Misty?
Okay, Mommy.
Okay, outside of the car, we don't talk about Daddy's poop or Mommy's poop. We don't talk about your poop.
Are you poop?
When you have to use the bathroom, you say, Mommy, Daddy, I go potty. I need a potty.
I didn't read a potty.
Daddy, you're a potty tinky.
Oh my